Metabolic syndrome is a cluster of metabolic dysfunction that includes hyperglycemia, hypercholesterolemia, hypertriglyceridemia, and accompanies type 2 diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. Approximately 1/4 of adults worldwide has been diagnosed with metabolic syndrome. The high morbidity of metabolic syndrome can be partly attributed to modern dietary patterns. For example, diets rich in fats and sugars, especially sucrose and high fructose corn syrup, are the main culprits leading to metabolic syndrome. From the data of USDA, from 1986 to 2007, the average per capita sugar consumption in the world has increased by 16%. Aside from sugars, daily fat intake has also sharply increased by about 55%. Emerging evidence indicate that high sugar and high fat diet would induce almost all the diseases associated with metabolic syndrome. So, what are the different roles of sugar and fat in affecting our body? Whether do the levels of glucose, fructose, and the presence of fatty acid have synergistic effect on liver cells? And what's the mechanism of metabolic syndrome induced by the excessive consumption of sugar and fat? Thus, in my research, the combination of glucose, fructose, and free fatty acids were used to induce human hepatocyte cells to stimulate the excessive dietary intake of sugar and fat. We measure insulin resistance, extra and intracellular triglyceride, lipid peroxidation, oxidative stress, total cholesterol, lipid acid, and cell cycle of the treated cells. The inflammatory cytokines and expression of related genes and proteins were tested. A new cell model was established in my research and characterized metabolic syndrome, which may contribute to the further research on metabolic disorders induced by high fructose, sucrose, and high fat diets. And this cell model may also be used as a tool for evaluating and screening functional compositions. Thank you.